Hello, hey, this is Rosa, and I am going to give you a tour of our home at 377 West Wolcott for sale. It's 3 bedrooms, it's 1.5 baths, and it needs a lot of work. It's going through a short sale and a probate process at the same time. At the same time, the buyer will have to pay Bank of America, $11,000, 100, give or take 11.1, approximately at the closing. So here we are. Let's take a look. And we'll go. All right, my friends. So here is the home, 377 West Wolcott. It's on a street which is not very, very busy. I mean, it does get a little bit of traffic during maybe business hours, coming and going to work, but that's about it. Now, for the most part, the siding is good. It can pretty much just be power washed. Up there on the left side, the right side of the roof, you will notice there is some moss, and I do believe that there's some repairs that need to be made there, but it's not really that bad of a problem, I do not believe. Right on the right side here is where we do have the oil tank, and we do have some windows here, and of course some trees and so forth. Here is the electrical, right, which doesn't seem like it's in that bad a shape. I don't see rusting. I don't see frayed wires as far as the electrical is concerned. On the right side is some old, I believe, cable wire, but the main wire line actually does look pretty good. All right, foundation, I haven't seen any big time problems. This front entrance could use a little bit of sprucing up, of course, but it could be actually very, very nice and stately looking. Okay. Over here we do have some broken windows, so windows will need to be redone. Okay, and all this is vinyl siding, and then here are the wood siding, which I'm going to show you shortly, where we do have some boxes of siding that you can actually use. Here's a garage. Garage does need some cleanup, some work. Roof is a little bit older. If you look back here, there's plenty of woods, a lot of insulation, so you don't have to worry about that Route 218. Right, there's a shed back there as well. A lot of woods, and of course here is a nice storage area along with the rest of the house. You can see the roof from this side looks pretty darn good. I've been in the attic before. I'm not going to go today, and there is one little area that seems like it might need a little fixing up, but it's not like there's tons of water coming into the home. Now here is a storage area, and it's the walk-in to the basement. Okay, so let's walk in here to the basement. Right here is the big storage area, and right on the bottom here, so maybe there's like 2 or 3 boxes of some siding that matches the rest of the siding. But you can see this is pretty high ceiling, right? Nice. There's plenty of electricity in here. Cinder block construction. I don't see any leaks in here. It looks for the most part pretty darn good condition. Okay, walking over here into underneath the main part of the home is the basement. Now in here is the half bath, which I think is amazing. Okay, no one's gonna want to use that. It's in pretty much a rough area, so to me I would just rip it out. Okay, lots of room here, high ceilings. Okay, there's the ductwork for the furnace and so forth. Here's another storage area, and you can see over here the gas heat, right? The electric heating systems that they had, right? And here are the mechanicals, right? So you can see, this is in good condition. As far as I know, it's working pretty darn good. This is an oil furnace, okay? Oil furnace here. And then the hot water heater is around this way. Again, in pretty good condition, no major problems. Okay, and that is electric. All right, over here is the electrical system. Again, somewhat updated in the past maybe 10-20 years. Over here is the main water, no problems here, and it's shut off. And then here is the oil tank. Okay, and then up here, of course, is the the oil burner, and you can see it's in good condition as far as we know. It's been working, or it was working this past winter. Okay. So here is the lower level basement, right? And so now we're gonna go take a walk through the home so you can get a better idea of the condition and of course the layout, which is important. Absolutely beautiful day here today. I hope you're enjoying yourself, right? All right, well, let's just take a quick look through here. Okay. So as we walk into the rear entrance, this is the huge kitchen, huge eat-in kitchen, right? I mean, it takes up a pretty much large amount of the home, okay? Needs work, of course. Back here is where he was using this as a laundry room. There was a washer and dryer, but no longer. And then here is the full bath. Full bath needs to be gutted, right? Full shower, no problems there. And again, here is the view. Now, if you look at this, one of the things that I've been telling people that I believe may be a possibility, okay, is on the left-hand side, this was a dining room. On the right-hand side here is a living room. So what I say is you can take this dining room area, which of course has a door, right? And you can turn this in to a first floor master or first floor bedroom, right? First floor master bedroom. Everybody in 2023 wants a first floor bedroom. So that wouldn't be hard to do. And where I'm actually standing here, you can actually put a pretty big closet, in my opinion, right? And so if I walk at it from the other angle, you see here, right now it's open to the living room, but you can close that up pretty easily. And that where that TV is and that desk and all that good stuff, that can be a closet. Now, technically you do have another closet over here. They made it into a cedar closet, right? And this right here is the living room, and it's very spacious as well. And one of the things I love about the home is the beautiful wood trim work that can be kept, right? The ceilings are not in the worst shape. The floors can be refinished and the walls can be painted. And there is, again, you know, the doorway for the living room that leads out to the huge eat-in kitchen, right? So there's plenty of room here to be able to maneuver, make repairs, and do things the way that you would want to do. Now let's take a look again at the upstairs. So we're gonna go right here again through the right side, and this is the living room. And you can see it has a beautiful stairway as far as the banister is concerned and so forth. And you know, look at how beautiful the front door is. I mean, can be, you know, polished up and beautiful. Hardwood floor stairs and so forth. Okay, and so here's the hallway. And up here, what I would strongly suggest, right, is on my left-hand side, we have a very nice size bedroom, okay, with closet, okay, and so you can see the bedroom has 2 sets of windows, great condition. The ceilings can use some patching up here and there. You know, the walls can use a little bit of patching up, paint them up, and polish up the floors. And they're not all that bad. So this is one of the bedrooms. Now the second bedroom would be over here, across the hallway. And up here is where you do see a little bit of staining, right? And so that's, you know, indication of something with that roof. Maybe something with that moss that I showed you earlier. This bedroom's not huge, but it's big enough for a queen size bed and a dresser, or full size bed and a dresser and so forth, or an armoire. So it's big enough, okay? Now you can take what I was suggesting is you make that first floor dining room into the third bedroom, and you take one of these rooms, which I'm suggesting probably this one here, and you can turn this room, you know, there's a closet there. You can turn this room into a full bath and another closet for the other side here, right? For this room right here. And I think that that would be an excellent opportunity. So that upstairs here, you have 2 bedrooms, plenty of closet space, and a full bath. And then downstairs, you have a master bedroom with a walk-in closet and a full bath. All right, and just kind of getting the view from up here. Right, here again is the living room. There's the eat-in kitchen. There's the formal dining, which again is good size, that I would probably turn into the master bedroom. All right, so again, kind of going back into it from the kitchen. So that's the layout of 377 Wolcott in Windsor. Remember, it does need some work. We have been told that the bathroom does leak into the basement and it needs to be redone anyways. Time is of the essence because we have to get this short sale done before they start a foreclosure. But this home, about almost 1,800 square feet, right? In my opinion, you're talking the mid 300s if you make all this stuff brand new, right? If you have a brand new, beautiful bathroom, brand new, huge eat-in kitchen area, you have a master bedroom on the first floor with a walk-in closet, you have a brand new bathroom upstairs, I think this is a great opportunity. So if you have more questions or want to talk more, just give me a call. Rob Rosa, 860-558-2122. Thanks.